Chapter 1. Face of Earth. The surface of Earth is marked with many irregular features like mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, deserts, rivers, etc. All these features are called the physical features of Earth. We can observe it while looking down on surface of Earth from an aeroplane. We do not find a uniform surface all over Earth. Let us learn the major physical features of Earth. 1. Hills. Hills are the raised physical features of Earth. They are cone-shaped and look like pyramids. Their wide base lies at the bottom and the top is in the form of a peak. It is a few hundred meters high. Still higher features are called the mountains, and a chain of mountains is called the range like Himalayan range. The top of hills has little cool climate. Here, the speed of wind is also more. The slopes of hills are steep. The slopes of many hills are covered with grass and bush-type vegetation. On some hills, forests are also found. In fact, the type of vegetation depends upon the type of climate. In some hills, the slopes are rocky, where vegetation is not thick. The problem of soil erosion is prevalent. The Shivaliks are prone to maximum soil erosion in India because the vegetation has been cut down. Activity. Name any hill station of India. People, plants and animals of hills. Hills have complete absence of cities and industries. People of hills lead a simple life. People raise animals and use local resources to live. Nowadays, people have started making small farms by cutting down the slopes of hills. This is called the terrace cultivation. The grasslands are used for animals rearing. Sheep and cattle are important animals that are reared. Because of steep slope, it is difficult to construct the roads. The transportation is therefore a big problem in hills. The trains are almost absent from hills because it is very difficult to lay down the railway tracks. In some areas, even roads are absent. In such areas, people use animals for transporting the goods. Some people are engaged in cottage industries like handlooms, baskets making, etc. Animals' fiber is used for making clothes. Sheep and goat are major fiber providing animals. The culture of people is simple and traditional. They lead a very simple life. Do you know, pony is important animal that is used for transportation in the hilly areas. 2. Plains. Plains are a vast areas of earth that have little or no slope. Most of the people prefer to live in plains. Basic feature of plains is the continuous flatness for several hundred kilometers. Most of the cities are situated in the plain areas. All plains of the world are densely populated. In most of the plains, the climate is favorable for the living. Most of the rivers make meanders in the plains. Soils of plains are also fertile. People, plants and animals in plains. The people, plants and animals are entirely different from that of hills. The flatness of area allows the construction of roads. Therefore, maximum cities of the world are situated in the plains. The roads connect all parts of plains with each other. Railways are also common in the plains. Movement of people and goods become easy in the plains because of easy transportation. Therefore, trade flourishes in the plains. Flatness of plains allows the cultivation of different crops in the fields. The size of farms is very large and agriculture production is very high. Different types of machines are also used in the farms because of large size and flatness of farms. The type of crops depend upon the climate of the plains. In most of the villages, the activity of dairying is popular. Here people rear cattle animals along with raising of crops. They obtain milk and sell it in the near cities. Activity. Name any 3 major cities of India that are situated in the plain areas. In cities, the pakka houses are common to see, but in villages, the kacha houses are also found along with a few pakka houses. In big cities, flats are also seen. The flats are similar looking houses in one big building. Plant types depend upon the climate of plains. In cold areas, the coniferous trees are found which are cone-shaped, whereas in the warm plains as in India, broad-leaved trees are found which are deciduous in nature, that is, they shed their leaves once in a year. In the cities, some ornamental trees are planted to add beauty to the landscape. 3. Deserts. Desert receives very little rainfall, therefore it remains dry. Some of the deserts do not receive any rain for several years. In such areas, the land looks barren and without any life. Heaps of sand are common in the deserts, which are called sand dunes. Some deserts are rocky. The climate in most of the deserts is dry and hot. The sand heats up too much in the sunshine. It is not possible to pass through sand in summers. Some deserts are cold deserts which are away from equator. People, plants and animals in deserts. Life of deserts is very tough. There is no occupation for the people. Some people do little cultivation near the oasis where water is available. The oasis is a place where water is available in deserts in the form of pond. Here, the caravans stop for some time and take rest. There is little plant life in the deserts. Whatever plants are available are thorny. Cactus is the common plant in deserts. Besides this, there are some thorny bushes. The trees are absent from deserts. Among animals, camel and goat are important animals. Camel is popular in the deserts. It is used for transportation. It has padded feet and can walk in the sands of deserts. It can store water in its body and can walk in sand for several days without water. 4. Valley. Valley is found in the mountainous areas. It is a low-lying area that lies between two mountains. In the mountainous area, people prefer to live in the valleys. Here, life is comparatively easy and comfortable as compared to the mountain slopes and peaks. The valley has less slope compared to the mountain sides or peak. River or stream is normally seen in the valley because it is a low-lying area. Water coming down from the mountain always flows through the valley. People, plants and animals in valley. Life in valleys is different from the plains. Here, climate is cool, but extensive flat area is not available. In some valleys, flat area is available, but it is very limited or small in size. People practice agriculture in the small farms. They also make terraces to do agriculture. Orchards are common in the valleys where nut and fruit trees are grown. Apple is a popular fruit of Kashmir Valley. Normally, valleys have thick vegetation because they receive heavy rainfall. Some valleys receive snowfall in cold areas. Grasslands are also common where people rear animals. Sheep are the common rearing animals. In cold areas, yak is also reared. Both sheep and yak are used for wool. Yak is also used for transportation. Transportation in valleys is not as easy as in the plains. Laying of roads and railway lines is difficult. The roads are meandering. Difficult transportation makes it difficult for cities to grow. Yet, some tourist spots like Srinagar and Kullu have come up at some places. Things to remember. 1. Hill is the raised feature of Earth's surface with peak on its top. 2. People practice terrace cultivation of hills. 3. Plains have continuous flatness for several hundred kilometers. 4. Size of farms is large and agriculture production is very high in plains. 5. The climate in most of the deserts is dry and hot. 6. Oasis is a place where water is available in the form of pond. 7. Valley is a low-lying area. It lies between the mountains. 8. People rear animals and raise orchards in valleys.